Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is October 26, 2021. It's about 15 minutes before the open, and let's start taking a look at the futures this morning. So, all forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved. If necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer: Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the options, futures, and stock market, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay. Alrighty, good morning, everybody. Yeah, it's just 15 minutes before the open. We'll start taking a look at the news here, and then we'll do a little bit of technicals and see which direction it wants to go today. Okay? So, our news is, you can see everything's green. Oil still holding at $83, $84 a barrel. This went up 100 points. The Dow futures up more 100 points after closing at record with big tech earnings on the deck. It's like I said, buy phase, it got reset. They're happy again. So this is what they do. So home prices in August hinting possible cooling of the market. Wall Street cut prices on Facebook. That's actually kind of interesting. They have this positive, but they're just giving some warning signs. A little more conservatism with Biden trying to readjust his plan. And so there's nothing really wow out there. Let's check Fox Business as well, just in case. So on the Fox Business side, I always talk about Nike, record. Moderna says COVID booster like flu vaccine could be yearly. So is it a vaccine? Or is it a shot? Oh, whatever. I don't want to go there. I'll start rambling again. Okay. From tissues to toilet paper, it's all about
connection lost.
Don't you dare. You heard that? Connection loss. If I lose my connection, if I'm trading, I'm going to lose it today. So anyways, so as you can see, just over and over again, just positive, negative news. Nothing really that's standing out there. No major events. There's no Afghan withdrawal or whatever. No Trump derangement syndrome to make the markets move. It's just whatever's happening is happening. So with that being said, let's get into the technicals. So like we said before, phase worked 1, phase 2 worked. This one failed, reset, coming back to test the highs. Fibonacci retracement, which I was trying to test to see if it did a 61.8. Where did I mark it? It is at the one, this was probably on the 4-hour chart with this one. But let's see where it is in the long term. So as you can see from the bottom to the top, this is 127 extension. So if it does go touch the top, then we got to the 141. Actually, it was supposed to be probably, let's see here, swing high, swing low for the original one. So we've already had our 100% move coming back from point A, 100% move on these swings. Now if we do another minor swing again, which is really minor on this one, so 127 is testing the old high, so let's see where we're going. Is there any sweet numbers? It looks like 15,000. That's 43, 19, 18. Well, we'll see. That's rough, just rough sketching here. And we got 9 days left, and see where we are. Now see, like what I said before, this is the reason why I like order blocks, guys. Longer the time frame, the better the order block. Let's see if we can bust through it. We had that punch out yesterday. It went like crazy, I guess. And this was the line in the sand I think I had yesterday, if it did go. So that's basically where the previous highs are. So I'll say it's around 700 because this marking is a hair off. It's not perfect, so some are right there. So it's on the 700 marker. So it looks like, I think it might do another pop day. With the delta being strong, yeah. Now let's take a look here. Actually, there's probably a pullback, but I don't know yet. Now let's see if we have any nice charts today. Let's open these up. Do we have a really nice? So it might be 1030 is my first. We might get a lot of whippage. We'll find out. 41, 46, 49, 55, 1017, and then after 1030, that's our move. So I'll watch in the beginning. This is what I'm looking at. I don't like this zone here. We'll see how much it whips. We'll look at delta. Delta, I was just peeking on the other screens, around 1200 right now. So yeah, look at these times here. A, B, C, D, E. Blah, 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 blah. So let's see where 1044 is. 1045 to 1109. So there is actually starting some nice movements here. But here it looks like it could be a whip out day. We'll find out. I'll move that across. And now what I'm saying is I could do a quick move, but I'm not sure. And the reason why I'm saying this is we're going to be looking at the market cycle chart. And this is what I call market cycle. See the word right here, market cycle? These color boxes are called the market cycle. Every few hours. And as you can see, with the baseline indicator that I decided to add on yesterday is, you can tell she's squeezing really tight here. And it's been squeezing for quite a while. So we have our high range, our low range. We're right at the 50% of the London session, and it's just squeezing. Here it's also squeezing, and then we look down here on the bottom, see it's really positive delta. So my question is are they really going to snap it down for a little while? And I'm looking at this is probably where the major support and resistance is where level 1 is. I don't think it will go way down here. But here's your market maker right here. So we could use this one as a reference point as well. So you can see all the support right here. If not, I might be wrong. It might just explode out because they did have a big number. What was it? 100 points. But if it's 100 points, no, that's Dow. But I mean, let me just take a look here on the screen. Which one was it? What are their numbers right now? That's the wrong screen. Yeah, okay, 100 points. Let's say 100 points. So if it does go down from 91 to 41, 987. So where's 40s? This is 5s. So yeah, 40s. So this could be a 50-point drop, pull down, and fire up. We'll find out. But when you're breaking out of here on the Asian session, we have to see how strong it breaks through the Asian session. If it breaks out of the Asian session, then we can go down here. So this is what we'll look at. We'll watch it delta at the same time. It is selling off, but the irony is it's selling off, but it's holding. I hate that. I like to follow it. So does that mean they're just selling off to buy more because it's already positive delta? That it's really tight here, guys. And look how tight the 70% zone is. It's only 60. For NASDAQ now, that's really tight. So 90, yeah, it's tight. 30, 40 points. And then we'll go from there. But yeah, it's the first morning we really have to watch out for. And I wonder which chart I should look at first thing in the morning in order. Just make sure that's set up here. Squeeze this so I can transition back and forth really easy. Perfect. Okay, so I'm good to go here. And let me see here. We're 7 minutes before the open. I'm going to just refill my coffee and I'll be back. Alrighty, I'm back. We are 1 minute before the open. And I just switched the screen over here just to see. And look at this, where my day trend literally hit the first marker. Remember I said I like to put a buy limit here, 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 and if I had that from yesterday, you know when we saw that whip out first thing in the morning? Boom. And look how it rode it all through that session from yesterday. Now we gotta watch this. Delta is pushing up, but you know, it's such a tight squeeze right now. I am not sure which direction it's gonna go right now. You know what, I'm gonna put this one here as well, because I'm gonna be looking at the screen for a while. And let's see if she pops right through this zone here. If it does really quickly, then maybe I might buy. But let's watch this delta. See how she's just exploding? She's dropping like a stone. So they're going into the, I think the green is the ask. Let's see what it is. What's the green again? It's going into the bid right now. Interesting. Okay. So we're just gonna, let's see if they're gonna do a really big pull down. Huge pull down. We're at 91. Is this actually moving? Oh yeah, that's right. 87, 84. So let's see if we can get that really good pull down. Look at this. 500, 400. She's just killing it. Now let's see if we can get to our sweet spot. $100. So they just dumped off 1,600 contracts very first minute. This is what I was talking about. We have to really watch. This could be just a whip out. And we said 50 points, right? So wherever market open was, so it's still holding here. So an 87. Maybe it can get to the 50%, we don't know, and then she'll pop up. We'll just give it a few minutes here. Let them do their dump off. And then we'll watch this delta, see if she creeps up again. And see, look at the reaction here. I hate when I hit that one. What screen is it? There it is, fourth left. I have a stupid button on left-handed and I keep on clicking. It drives me crazy. So, okay, so we're still holding at 200. So, my guess, by the time they're done, we're going to go up today, guys, the way they're playing. But we still want to wait till we break out of the zone here. Look at that, eh? Jeez. Okay, red build-up. Gonna wait for them to play this game. 500-600 contracts. See what they're going to do here in the first few minutes. We're just breaking out of the zone here. And how high did I say we can go? Let's take a look here. She's going to pop out of there. Okay. Yeah, she's going to pop. What minute are we in? 9:32. We'll watch after 9:33, see if there's going to be another snapback, and then we can go from there. 9:35 is another sell-off, so let's see if we can break this zone here. Delta still going up? Yeah, let's do it.
Order filled.
Okay. Now let's see if we can get to, well, let's see if we can get about $300 here. We're at 100, 150, 145, 50, 95, 200, 205. Keep them going. There's our pullback again. Our bounce back at 33. Yeah, she'll keep on going now. Delta at 1500. And we can do, oh, maybe 50. Yeah, let's see if we can get to 50. We got until 41 actually. So yeah, we got till 41 here. Thought I might close down at watching my delta. We're still trying to squeeze it through. Delta's holding at 1400. Should I sell? No, I'm gonna let it push again a little bit more. Because we broke this zone here, guys, so. And where are we right now? So 941 will be another push. We'll do another whip back. I'm gonna buy in, if it does come back really hard, I'm gonna buy in at 05. Yeah, this is our whip back again. This is that whip game there I was telling you about. But they are going to push it up. So we went to 1500 back to 600 again. See that, guys? It's crazy. And then when it whips down, I'm going to buy in again. We're going to double it up and then we can shut it out for today. So I'm going to squeeze it down. I want to get to... I'm going to, come on, a little bit farther. Buy in again.
Order filled.
Now she'll push up one more time. We can get her 300 really quick here. 75, 85, 3.
Order filled.
There you go, 335 today. 325 today. So basically the reason why yeah, she's done. It's not bad working 6 minutes today, guys, for $325. What I was looking at, and she'll pop up to 55. What I was watching, see if we broke out of here. No, I thought there was going to be a bigger pull down personally. But, you know, you're taking it with a grain of salt. We're looking at the data. I waited for the pullback. I took the first initial and we had around $200. And then it came back. I waited for the pullback, see how far it went. If not, you might have to close or not. And then I saw it reversing, jumped in again for the second wave. We had a lot of delta. And that's about it, guys. That's my trade day today. So this is why I love my lifestyle now. It is going, I should have held it to 50. It would have been a really good cash day, but whatever. I always make our reels 3 to 5. And so that's it. Other than that, if you have any questions, you know where I am. ABC123 Trader. I might be changing the website. I might be getting rid of the shopping cart, guys. And I'm just going to be strictly on the Discord. And if you guys want to talk about what type of indicators you guys are interested, we can go from there. The shopping cart is a shopping cart. I get a lot of emails, and I'd rather talk to the guys on a one-to-one basis anyways. Other than that, pinpoint your trades, trade safe. You guys have a great day. Take care.